this video, we're going to talk about the Enable Mode tab in Function Blocks. The Enable Mode tab allows us to add extra layers of logic to a function block that can enable or disable the function block based on the status of other outputs, inputs, or functions on the controller. To configure an Enable Mode, we first need to select the Enabled If button. Once we've done that, we need to select what type of Enable Mode we want to implement. In this example, we are in a CO2 control function block, so a common requirement might be to turn off the CO2 control if an exhaust fan is on. In order to do that, we are going to want to select Output Off. Then we will select the relay and output device that we want to monitor. So what we've just configured is an Enable Mode rule that will allow our current CO2 control function block to operate as long as the output that we have selected is off. As soon as the exhaust fans on this relay turn on, our CO2 control function block will be disabled. Similarly, we can select an input on the system that may have a custom sensor, or we can look at the status of another function block on the controller. Finally, if we select Disabled, the entire function block will not be allowed to operate. If we don't want any Enable Mode logic, we can simply select Enabled, and the function block will operate only according to its set rules. The Enable Mode allows us to add extra logic and intelligence for our unique and custom applications that we find in different growing environments.